Welcome to Shadow English, the most powerful way to learn English fast. You don't just listen. You copy every word like a shadow. You speak with the same tone, the same speed, and the same style. Your mouth moves like the speaker. Your brain learns like a native. Day by day, your English becomes natural, clear, and confident. Let's begin this journey together. Repeat after me and shine out in English.
The sun is up. I wake up. I feel lazy. I stretch my arms. I open my eyes. I see my room. My room looks messy. Clothes are on the chair. Shoes are on the floor. Books are on the bed. The table is not clear. The bed is not made. The window is closed. The room feels dark. I don't like it. I shake my head. I say, this is bad. I cannot study here. I cannot sleep here. I cannot play here. I need to clean. I need to start. I take a deep breath. I stand up. I touch my hair. I smile a little. I say, yes, let's do it. I open the window. Fresh air comes in. Sunlight comes in. My room feels better, but still messy. I pick up the shoes. I put shoes in the rack. I feel happy. One step is done. I pick up socks. I put socks in basket. I smile again. Small work is easy. Small work feels good. I look at the chair. The chair is full. Clothes are everywhere. I take one shirt. I fold the shirt. I put it in cupboard. I take pants. I fold the pants. I put them away. The chair is clear now. I sit on the chair. It feels nice. I clap once. I say good job. I look at the bed. The bed is messy. I remove books. I put books on table. I pull the blanket. I fold the blanket. I fold the blanket. I fix the pillow. The bed looks good. I smile again. My room is changing, step by step. Work is easy. Work is fun. I pick up papers. I put papers in bin. The floor looks clear. I sweep the floor. I use the broom. Dust goes away. I sweep again. The floor is shining. I am happy. I dance a little. Meditating is fun. I drink water. I feel fresh. I open the cupboard. It looks messy too. I fix the cupboard. I fold clothes. I put them right. I close the cupboard. It looks good. I clean the table. I move books. I move pens. I wipe the table. It shines now. I sit on bed. I look around. The room is clean, but one corner is not. I see dust. I clean the corner. I smile big. I say, done. My room is clean. My heart is light. I feel proud. I feel strong. I say slowly, good job. I clap for myself. I laugh a little. I sit and rest. I look outside. The sky is blue. The air is fresh. The room is clean. I love my room. I love myself. I say, I can do it. I stand tall. I feel great. I feel ready. My day is good because my room is clean. I look at the floor. It looks better now, but I still see dust. I take the broom again. I sweep slowly. I sweep under the table. I sweep under the chair. I sweep near the door. Dust goes away. I feel proud.
I see a bottle. The bottle is empty. I pick it up.
I put it in the bin. I see a wrapper.
The wrapper is dirty. I pick it up.
I throw it away. The floor looks nice.
The room looks clean. I take my pillow again. I shake it. It feels soft. It smells fresh. I put it on the bed. I fix the blanket. I fold the blanket neatly. I smile at my bed. It looks perfect. I feel good. I walk to the bookshelf. Books are not in order. Some books are falling. Some books are open. I take one book.
I close the book. I put it in place. I take another book. I put it straight. I fix all the books. The shelf looks better. The books are neat. The books are happy. I touch the books. I say, "Stay here." I smile at the shelf. I feel proud again. My room is changing. Step by step. Little by little. I see my table. The table is full. Pens are here. Papers are there. Books are on top. I shake my head. I must clean the table. I take all the books. I put them in the shelf. The shelf is now full. I take the papers. I check the papers. Some papers are clean. Some papers are old. I keep the clean papers. I throw the old papers. I fold the clean papers. I put them in a file. The table looks better. I smile again. I take the pens. Some pens have ink. Some pens are dry. I test each pen. I keep the good pens. I throw the dry. Some pens I put good pens in a box. The box is blue. I close the box. I put it on the table. The table is clean. The table is clean. The table is clean. I touch the table.